Square section, isn't it?
Yes.
See children, this board has some problem, so your voice is very low. I can't hear properly. Their voice is very low. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you say loudly, then only I can hear you. Okay, shall we move to the next type of questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Next, fourth identity. Fourth identity is x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. X square plus a plus b into x plus ab. All of you write this identity once in your book. X square plus a plus b into x plus ab.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you say the first homework questions answer?
Isha, see children, I can't hear you. So if you have any doubt about the last questions that I have given, you send a voice message. Send that question and a voice message to my WhatsApp number. I will clear that because I can't hear what you're saying. Okay, if you have any doubt among those questions that I have given last period, if you have doubt, write, send that question and your doubt. I will clear through WhatsApp. This board has some problem, so I can't, very feeble voice is coming. I can't hear you properly. Okay. Or you say loudly. Huh? Okay. So next identity is x plus a into x plus b. It is x square plus a plus b into x. We will discuss with a question. Factorize first one, x square plus 5x plus 6. This is the last method of factorization. Factorization with the help of identity x plus a into x plus b. See, this algebraic expression, this is not in the form a square minus b square. Not in the form a square minus b square. And since this 6 is not a square number, 6 is not a square number, so we cannot apply a square plus 2ab plus b square or a square minus 2ab plus b square. These three format or these three identities we cannot apply in this question. Clearly, it is not in this form, a square minus b square, not in that form. And since last term is b square, 6 is not a square number, these two identities are also we cannot use. So these three identities we cannot use here for solving x square plus 5x plus 6. Also, these three terms does not have any common factor also. So taking common factor outside also we cannot use. So the next set of factorization, next procedure to find the factors of this is, in this type of equations or in this type of algebraic expression, what you have to find is, okay, you take the last term. Last term is 6 and the middle term is 5. Look at the last term and middle term. If the coefficient of x square is 1, first of all check the coefficient of x square is 1 or not. If it is 1, take last term, that is the constant term and coefficient of x. Constant term and coefficient of x. Here the constant term is 6 and coefficient of x is 5. Isn't it? Now you have to find two numbers such that find two numbers. Find two numbers such that sum of those two numbers is 5. That is coefficient of x and product is 6. That is the constant term. So first what you have to do, first of all, you have to check whether the x square, coefficient of x square is 1 or not. If it is 1, you need to find out two numbers such that their product will give the constant term and their sum will give the coefficient of x. Here the sum will be 5 or product will be 6.
Ma'am.
Yes.
2 and 3.
Okay. So you need to find out two such numbers. Let the numbers be Let the numbers be 2 and 3. Let the numbers be 2 and 3. Then rewrite this given expression as x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to x square, listen, x square plus, instead of this 5x, we will write 2x plus 3x, sum is 5x. We are splitting that 5x into 2x plus 3x plus 6 we can write 2 into 3, the product of the numbers, 2 into 3, okay? 2 into 3. Okay, now we are applying our first stage of factorization. Consider these two terms and these two terms. Regrouping the terms. Here we can take common factor. What is the common factor in this first group? Common factor is x. Remaining is x plus 2. Plus from the second group, the common factor is 3. X plus 2. Again, x plus 2 is a common factor. Remaining is x plus 3. Okay. So x square, the factors of x square plus 5x plus 6 are x plus 2 and x plus 3. X plus 2 and x plus 3. Once again, I will explain. Listen all of you. Our question is x square plus 5x plus 6. X square plus, those who join late, listen carefully, x square plus 5x plus 6. The given algebraic expression not in the form of a square minus b square or a square plus 2ab plus b square or a square minus 2ab plus b square. Not in these three forms because 6 is not a square number. So we cannot apply those three identities. And taking common factor also not possible because 6, all these three terms does not have any common factor. So taking common factor is also failed. Applying the above three identities also failed. So for factorizing this type of algebraic expression, what you have to do, first of all, check whether the coefficient of x square is square term, whether it is x square or y square or a square. Coefficient of the square term is 1 or not. Here, coefficient of x square is 1. Now, you need to find out two numbers such that their sum is 5. 5 means coefficient of x and product is 6. That is constant term. Constant term. Easily you can find the numbers be 2 and 3. Now what you will do? X square plus 5x plus 6 we are splitting into x square plus 2x plus 3x. Those two numbers. Their sum is 5x plus 6 you can write 2 into 3. Now we will regroup the terms. Here x is a common factor remaining x plus 2. Here 3 is a common factor remaining x plus 2. Now again x plus 2 is a common factor remains x plus 3. So the factors are x plus 3. The factors of x square plus 5x plus 6 are x plus 2 and x plus 3. I think is it clear? Okay, do it. We have some more problems of this type. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Next one, factorize p square plus 6p 6p plus 8. Here coefficient of p square is 1. So find two numbers whose product is or whose sum is 6 and product is 8. Find two numbers whose sum is 6, product is 8. Which are the numbers?
4 and 2.
4 and 2.
Ma'am, it is coefficient of 6p, right?
What?
Ma'am, it is
Say.
coefficient of 6p, right?
6p. 6p. P square plus 6p plus 8. Product sum is 6. So we will rewrite this as plus 8 is equal to p square plus 6p we will write. The numbers are
4 and 2.
and the numbers are 2 and 4. So we will rewrite 6p as 2p plus 4p, 8 as 2 into 4. Now we will regroup these two terms. Taking constant outside, common factor outside, you will get p plus 2 plus 4 into p plus 2, 4 into p plus 2. What next? What we will do next?
P plus 2 and
Yes, p plus 2 is a common factor. Take p plus 2 outside, p plus 2 remaining
P plus 4.
Remaining
P plus 4.
p plus 4. So the factors of p square plus 6p plus 8 is equal to p plus 2 and p plus 4. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Happy New Year.
Same to you all.
P plus 2 and p plus 4. Okay. Now, next question. Next one. Factorize. Factorize. Question is y square minus 7y plus 12. Y square minus 7y plus 12. Can we use the three identities here? Adhikesh, can we use the first three identities? Any one of the first three identities here?
No, ma'am.
No, we cannot use. So what we will check? First, we have to check the coefficient of the square term is 1 or not. Here the coefficient of y square is 1. Coefficient of y square is 1. Next step is we need to find two numbers.
Sum is
Sum
equal to
is
7.
-7.
-7.
Negative 7.
Yes. Find two
-4 and
numbers.
-3.
Find two numbers whose sum is -7 and product is
12.
12.
12.
Find out the numbers.
-4 and
I'm
-3.
-3 and -4.
Let the numbers be yes.
-4 and -3.
-4 and -3. -4 and -3. Sum is -4 plus -3 equal to
7.
1 second. Yes. -4 plus -3 is -7. -4 into -3 is 12. So the numbers are -4 and -3. So what next? What is the next step? Adhikesh? We
And
will
then we
rewrite
should
the equation y square minus 7y plus 12 equal to Adhikesh.
y square minus 7y plus y square minus 4 plus -3
Y plus
-3 plus -4 into -3.
-4 into -3. Okay, now regrouping the first two terms, y square minus 4y. So
Common factor y.
common factor is y into y
Y
minus
minus 4.
4, y into y minus 4. From the next group, the common factor is
-3.
-3. Remaining
Y minus 4.
y minus 4. Now you know. Take y minus 4 as common factor again, then remains y minus 3. This method is very, very important. Till 10th standard also, you will study a chapter quadratic equation. In that chapter, you have to apply this method, very important method for solving this type of equations. Polynomials, when we studied polynomials, we have discussed quadratic equation, no? Equations with the degree 2, this type of equations are called quadratic. You will study more about quadratic equation 10 standard, quadratic equations. This is 4th chapter on 10th textbook. You will study more about this quadratic equation, and in that chapter the first exercise is based on this method. So you should be thorough here. Okay, shall we move to the next question? Advait, understood? Vaishnavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will give one more question. Factorize q square, factorize, 4th question, q square minus 10q plus 21. Okay, all of you try it. Q square minus 10q plus 21. Minus 10q plus 21.
Ma'am, can you show the question?
Yes, sure. Q square minus 10q plus 21. Q square plus 10q plus 21. We can apply this method only when this coefficient of square term is 1. So you must check whether the coefficient of square term is 1 or not. Otherwise, we have some other method. Okay. So here coefficient of the square is, that is q square. Q square is 1. Now you can use this method. We cannot apply a square minus b square here. This is not in the form a square minus b square, or a square minus 2ab plus b square, or a square plus these three identities we cannot use, because this 21 is not a square number. So from there itself we can understand we cannot use these three. So we will move to the next identity form and check whether the coefficient is coefficient of x square is square term is 1 or not. Here it is 1. So next step is, Tom, what are the numbers? You have to find two numbers whose sum is what, Tom?
Negative 10.
Negative 10, and product is?
21.
Product is, Tom?
21.
21. Did you get the numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Which are they?
Negative 7 and negative 3.
Numbers are negative 7 and negative 3. Negative 7, just write. Yeah, negative 7 into negative 3 is 21. Now, rewrite the given equation, given expression, algebraic expression, q square minus 10q plus 21. 21 equal to, Tom, how we will write? Q square
minus 7 minus 3
minus 7q minus 3q plus negative 7 into negative 3. Regrouping. The first two terms and second and third and fourth, taking common factors. Pooja, got answer? Hmm?
Ma'am, I joined a little late, so I don't know how to do.
Hmm. Q into q minus 7 minus 3 into q minus 7. So the factors are q minus 7 and q minus 3. Q minus 7 and q minus 3. Next one, try one more question. P square plus 6p minus 16. Minus 16. Try this one, all of you. Can I move this slide? Sridev, fourth one is over?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So fifth one is p square plus 6p minus 16. 16. All of you try this. You need to find two numbers whose sum is Lakshmi CB.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah,
Whose sum is 6 and product is 16.
product is
Negative 16.
negative 16. Negative 16. Let the numbers be
8 and negative 2.
hmm?
8 and
and
negative 2.
8 and
Negative 2.
negative 2.
8 and negative 2. So 8 plus negative 2 equal to 6. 8 into negative 2 equal to negative 16. Okay. Now rewrite the given expression and find the factors. Albert, the factors are Albert, 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 did you get the answer? Albert, I mean, what was the factors? What are the factors of the given expression? I mean,
Undoing.
Hmm? What was the factors? What are the factors of the given expression? So we can rewrite into p square plus 6p is 8p minus 2p minus 16 we will write as 8 into negative 2. So p into p plus 8 minus 2 into p plus 8. So p plus 8 into p minus 2 are the factors. P plus 8 and p minus 2 are the factors. Understood all of you how to solve this type questions also? So all the 4 types of factorization using the 4 identities. Factorization using the 4 identities we have covered. Now we have some special questions based on all the methods of factorization by taking constants, common factors outside and regrouping and by using identities. All will come together. So shall we start those questions? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Time is up for 3, 4. Time is up. Okay, one question we will do. Today I will send some homework questions. You have to do those questions. Okay. One question we will start. Factorize a square minus 2ab, a square minus 2ab, a square minus 2ab plus b square minus c square. A square minus 2ab plus b square minus c square. Okay, children, this is not in a form of any identity, no common factors, nothing. But here regrouping can be applicable. See, regrouping means we can group these 3 together, not 2. And those 3 terms represent an identity. Which was that? A square minus 2ab plus b square represent?
A minus
A
A
square
minus
minus
A minus b the whole
Whole
square. So
square.
directly we can write this is a minus b the whole square minus c square. Question is factorize. A minus b the whole square minus c square. Again one identity. Which was the identity? Here we use a square minus 2ab plus b square equal to a minus b the whole square. Again we have an identity, a minus b the whole square minus c square. Which form it is? A minus b the whole square minus c square. It is in the form of an identity. Which was that identity? Huh?
A plus b into a minus b.
Louder, Adikesh. What was the identity? Second identity. Second form is
A plus b into a plus
a plus. This term consider as a single term.
plus
A minus b the square.
into a
Then c
minus
square. So this is of the form a square minus b square form, which is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b form, where a square is a minus b the whole square. That is a here is a minus b and b is c. Understood? As a minus b the whole square minus c square. This is of the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square, where a is a minus b, b is c. So a minus b the whole square minus c square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. No, this is a plus b into a minus b. So it will be a means a minus b plus b, that is our c. And a minus b means a minus b minus c. So the factors are a minus b plus c, because a is a minus b, b is c. We are considering a minus b as a single term. Clear, Lynette? Tom, clear? So the
Yes,
factors
ma'am.
are a minus b minus c and a minus b plus c. Okay, we will do more questions on next day. Shall we wind up?